Hello, my dears. It is rainy day today, and it is very nice climate, nice weather. I hope you are also enjoying with me. I am under umbrella and making this video from my roof where I am staying nowadays. So this is very cloudy and it is a rainy season today. Very lovely weather. I think everybody loves the raining, and because it is the phobia for me, if I will put my umbrella, I will be watered, I will be soaked. Even then I try to keep the camera on nice visuals of nature, and now I zooming for you. This is the nature. This is the tree of bale in Bilwa in Sanskrit. Now I unzoom. This is the nature. This is the raining. A big raining. All around you can watch clouds and clouds. Clouds and clouds. Mountains and mountains. So lovely scene. I was in the room when I saw the situation outside of raining and very cooling, very calming, very attracting. So I thought I must shoot and I must share to all of you to watch it lovely. So at last again the tree and